And I want to introduce you today one of the projects that we manufacture for one of our dealers and her customer. This project we take in consideration are the aspects and desires that they have to look functional and to look modern. And this is what we're going to show you today. I want to introduce you to some of the aspects of this project that we work on it. This wood is made in walnut, 100% walnut, just lacquer on it. We start to working with some lighting, some unique details that they want to add. So we add lighting on the top, or lighting at the bottom of the cable system. And we have these cables that are stainless steel. And it's in black, the components are made in black. As you can see, there is no flashes inside the panels that we manufacture. And some interesting stuff that we have to work on it and help to the design was and give a solution to the dealer on how they're going to install the frame on the top, because they have to secure it to the wall and they have to reinforce the wall. So they reinforce the wall before attaching for the weight that has to be supposed to be put with bottles and the pressure and the tension that is going to happen. Then the customer wants some lighting, so we use some of the linear lightings that we use behind the cabinet and here below and at the bottom as well. Everything is perfectly aligned. As you can see in the cabinet, you see the trim of lighting that they want to achieve at the bottom all around perfectly. And they want to use these as lighting shelves and with the notches to avoid the bottles to crack around. So they can do that. And it's a pretty wine cellar, really unique and really functional, that store 240, 250 bottles of wine. Here is the design that we achieved for functionality and be modern as well in one project. Please contact us if you have any idea of your design, if you want help on the design and manufacture of your wine cellar. We're going to be pleased to help you and introduce you to one of our dealers on our network, like he's going to be able to help us, and we're going to be together on this journey of your wine cellar.